Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ 100 futures chart. Before we start today's video, I just want to say a massive apology for not posting any videos last night. It's just simply due to the fact I've been so busy working on something very exciting that I'm going to be announcing later on during tonight's video. So very excited to let you know what I have been working on. As I mentioned, it's taken a lot of hours, so I do apologize for not posting any videos yesterday. But NASDAQ 100 had a fantastic trading session yesterday, finished the day up 2.3%, and that's exactly what you wanted to see from those swing lows that we achieved on Monday. So I've been doing some research over the past couple of hours, and there's lots of analysts on YouTube and on CNBC, etc., saying, is this just a bullish flag? So if I just a bearish flag, if we flip this chart upside down, is this just a bearish flag? I think that we can, there we go. So look, is this, have we just formed a bearish flag here for the NASDAQ 100? Of course, I'll flip this chart upside down here, but, you've got your pole there and then your flag, and, eventually are we going to see a potential breakout towards the downside? Because remember, if this chart goes up, the NASDAQ 100 is typically going down, as I've inverted the chart, and we've struggled to break this support here for the 200-day EMA. But the good news is that I personally do not believe that it is a bearish flag. Another argument was, are we just forming a wedge here, a bearish wedge? If I just draw it from the upside as well, again, we've kind of been compressed into this area here, and then once we break out, are we going to see another move lower? Again, I do not believe this is the case. I think that this is very bullish, what has happened over the past couple of days. I was actually anticipating for a move lower on Monday. We didn't get it. We actually ended in the green, and of course yesterday was a fantastic move higher, and I think now this opens up the door towards that 200-day EMA and that next fib level. If I pull a Fibonacci retracement all the way down to the lows here for the NASDAQ 100, well, where's the next fib level? So we broke above that 0.23 fib level yesterday, and now we're going to go and target the 0.38, and that, funny enough, that actually comes into contact with the 200-day EMA, and if we can break above that, we'll then look where the next fib level is, all the way up at 15,250 area, which are the swing highs for this month. So I'm very, very excited here for the NASDAQ 100. I think that we do have some upside now up towards that 200-day EMA. And one thing that I will say with the NASDAQ 100 is that we've already priced in a lot of bad news. Russia-Ukraine tensions, Fed hiking potentially 6 to 7 times, inflation that is sky high, the potential of a recession, quantitative easing. There's so much bad news priced into this market at this moment in time, where yesterday we got a little bit of our good news that Russia have apparently, although it's not confirmed by satellite images, are apparently withdrawing troops from the border. And of course NATO have come out and said, be careful, this might just be a tactic, it might not even be true. But just that little bit of good news sends the NASDAQ 100 up 2%. So if we got any more dovish comments from the Fed, for example, if the Russia-Ukraine tensions continue to de-escalate, these are all huge positives that could potentially send the NASDAQ 100 a lot higher. Also, we've got earnings. We've got the likes of NVIDIA reporting tonight, one of the largest semiconductors in the world, I think, right now, as we currently speak, after Facebook's huge plunge. NVIDIA is the 6th largest company in the world. So hopefully NVIDIA will report some fantastic numbers. I fully do anticipate them to do so. Their stock was up 9% yesterday, so we might not see a nice 5 to 10% jump, as the stock is already, it's already pumped up quite high over the past couple of days. But again, this, I think these are many catalysts that could potentially send the NASDAQ 100 higher. But let's see what the day brings. Of course, the market open. We're still about 7 hours away from the market's opening here. Currently trading around 14,600. I would like to see a target up towards that next fib level, up at 14,885. That's at 0.382 fib level. So let's just see how the day plans out. For those who are watching this video, please go and give my Instagram a follow. I've left the Instagram account at the beginning of today's video. I've been giving out loads of free signals, free of charge, over on Instagram in my real videos, etc. And I did call and say to buy NVIDIA, to buy AMD, to buy Qualcomm, to buy Google and CrowdStrike at the start of the week. And if we just quickly go Oto's charts, as I mentioned. Nvidia was up 10% yesterday. AMD was up 6% yesterday. Qualcomm was up 5%. CrowdStrike was up about 5%. And same with Google, I think it was up about 4% yesterday. So fantastic money-making opportunities if you go and give my Instagram a follow. Thank you guys though. Let's hope that we have a fantastic trading session today, and let's try and target that 14,800 price level. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.